Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about local contractors. And there's something I want to ask you guys. Now this road is the Southern Coastal Highway from Harborview to Yalos. It was the largest road project on the way in Jamaica. The government assigned 10 local subcontractors to this project. And it highlighted to the entire nation just how far behind the local contractors are in Jamaica in terms of building a road like this. And it was a disaster. Let's just put it point blank. It was a disaster. Of the 10, none are left. They were down to 4. And it was announced the other day that the government ended all the local contractors' work on this highway. Now, what I want to ask you guys is, if they could not do this road, why is the government insisting that the $40 billion Spark program, which is to fix 2,000 roads in Jamaica, why are they insisting that the foreign contractors must use local contractors on the project? Before the foreign contractor can be approved, they must state which local contractors they are working with and how they'll be a part of the project. So I'm dumbfounded as to why the government would go this route again. It failed on this road. Now, the section of the road that we're looking at was built by China Harbour Engineering Company. This is a highway you find in a first world country. This could possibly be the nicest highway in Jamaica. But it wasn't built by local contractors. China Harbour Engineering Company, one of the 5 largest contractors in the world, built this road. Now, if we have that kind of company in Jamaica, why are we using local contractors? No, the government realized what happened on this project, so they are bringing in 5 more foreign contractors, some of the largest contractors in the world, to work on the Spark program. But they are insisting that these contractors use local contractors. And I'm just assuming here, it's going to be some of the same ones that worked on this project. There aren't that many. The same problems we had on this project, we're going to have again. No, I don't want you to think I'm bashing local contractors. They can build buildings and other things. But when it comes on to building roads like this project, the Southern Coastal Highway, proved to everybody that there's a huge gap between what's needed and what can be done. So I'm asking you guys, why is the government doing this again? They have brought in more foreign contractors, and they're using back the same model as this road, where you have the foreign contractor as the main contractor, and then they are going to use subcontractors. I just don't understand why they are going this route. It didn't work on this road, and it's not going to work on the 2000 road Spark program. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And when we build the Spark program is 2,000 main roads and community roads. We want them to look like this quality roads that will last for a very long time. Some roads are built in Jamaica and within a few months you see potholes or some defect or something. So guys, let us know what you think about the government doing the same thing over again, and I don't know if they expect other results, or I just don't understand why they're going this route. Alright guys, let us know. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.